Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to upload videos created in CapCut to YouTube Shorts. If you follow these instructions carefully, you will be able to upload your content successfully. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut application on your device. Once the app is open, create a new project. To do this, tap on the Create New button, which allows you to select the video files or media you want to work with. You can add all the clips or media needed for your video and then proceed with your editing process. Make sure your video is less than 1 minute long. YouTube Shorts only allows videos that are 60 seconds or shorter. If your video exceeds this time limit, trim it down using the editing tools available in CapCut. Ensure that your video is also in a vertical format with an aspect ratio of 9:16, as this is required for Shorts. After completing all the editing, look at the top right corner of the CapCut screen. Tap the arrow button to export your video. The app will begin processing and exporting your project. Wait for the export process to complete. Once the video is successfully exported, CapCut will present you with several sharing options. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Other button to access additional sharing platforms. From the list of available apps, find and select YouTube. When YouTube opens, it will prompt you to add details to your video. Confirm that the video is in vertical format and optimized for Shorts. You can add a title, description, and relevant tags. Make sure to include hash shorts in your title or description to ensure YouTube recognizes your video as a short. Review the privacy settings and select whether you want the video to be public, private, or unlisted. Finally, tap the Upload button to publish your video to YouTube Shorts. That's it. Your CapCut video is now uploaded as a YouTube short. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.